everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. I am Uman Agarwal, and today we are going to create something super cool in Scratch, a glowing lightsaber animation. In this project, you will learn how to draw your own lightsaber using a pen extension. Make it glow with awesome color effect and how to move it. So grab your creativity, hit the like, subscribe and share button and let's jump right into Scratch. First we don't need this cat sprite, so delete it. Now I'll go to paint a sprite. Here is my screen. Now for outline, perfect. I want this type of shade. Okay, so this one will be green color. Type of like dark green. Yes, this much. And another one will be grayish. Perfect. You can take your own type of color. I will take the square tool. Now I will make a rectangle like this, little smaller. Now I will take the rectangle to a grayish. Now I'm going to draw this a little thin. I have to do like this and I'll just duplicate, copy, paste. I'll just drag this over here. Okay, perfect. Now I want to draw a rectangle, a little grayish. Okay, like this one. Now I'm going to draw a line from this much space. And now I'm going to copy and paste. Drag it with the arrow keys. Okay, again paste. The same line came. And this one is the last one. Lightsaber is almost made. A last thing we need to do, draw a circle with red in color. Press Shift, Alt and Control to draw a perfect circle. Oh, perfect circle. Now I will put it between of this second line and this big where the lines are made. This one is perfect. So now my lightsaber is made and let me see if everything is centralized. The lightsaber is made now. Let's do the coding and change the name of this lightsaber. The name is going to be lightsaber only. And then first of all, what we are going to do, we don't want this point in direction 90, so I will do point in direction 0. And now I'll choose the backdrop. That is going to be Nebula. Here is my Nebula. Nice backdrop, right? Now let's start with the coding. We will take when flag click, always, control, forever loop, motion, set x to, operators, multiply by, mouse x, set x to mouse x multiply by 0.5 and then motion point in direction divided by block from operators, mouse x divided by 25, point in direction mouse x divided by 25 and then motion set y to minus 200. Now we are going to take an extension. Look at your left hand and see a blue block. This is for add extension. And then click on it. Wow! There are music, pen, video sensing, text to speech. I am going to take this pen. And after this, go to pen and take this erase all. Pen down. Set pen color to, I will take pink. Set pen size to, operators, pick random, 15 to 20. And then pen down, motion, move 450 steps, and then duplicate this from the set pen color 2 block, and then just take this move steps out. Don't delete it, just delete pen down, and then put move 450 steps again, and then put it over here. And instead of move 450 steps, move minus 400 steps. And yes, pick random size at the second last block, set pen size to, pick random, write 5 to 10, and set color size to, that is white. Okay, done. Now see. Oh, nice, right? Like this, your lightsaber is throwing the light. And yes, there are different varieties to change the size of the lightsaber. Can I show you how? Instead of move 450 steps, I can do move 250 steps. And then in the last block, move minus 200 steps. Now see, the light became shorter and the lightsaber is at the same height, right? And then you can do like this too. Instead of move 250 steps, move 400 steps. And then at the last, move minus 400 steps. Now see, oh, the lightsaber size decrease and the light size increase. Now I'm going to choose move 450 steps. That is my opinion. I'll show you on big screen how it will work. 3, 2, 1 and go. Wow, the light is coming. And it's moving by the mouse pointer, right? By using this lightsaber, we can make more multiple types of projects. Like the light is killing the ghost, collecting coins. Many challenging games we can make. I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss update. And you can also visit our website, codexacademy.com. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.